Okay, so we're driving into San Juan. There's a big sign right there, and we're gonna go right into this whole little mess right here. Look for parking, and then when we get a chance, we're definitely gonna walk around it as well. San Juan, Puerto Rico. Man, it looks so cool. Okay, so we're in Puerto Rico, old San Juan, and I'm sure you all know where it is, but in case you don't, let me show you a map. So behind me I have the map. You can see Puerto Rico, you can see San Juan, and you can see old San Juan. So San Juan is kind of in a corner with surrounded by water with a road that comes into it. So what I'm going to do in this particular video is I'm going to drive into San Juan. I'm going to be driving around a little bit so you can see the images, as you can see in the background behind me. And then eventually I'm going to find a parking space. Again, you can see, found that, and this is the view from the parking garage. And now I'm going to walk around. So I'm going to go all the way up. I'm going to overlook this one particular area, which is kind of a small little village down by the water, and then I'll walk back down. That village is a little bit famous, but stay tuned, I'll tell you about that in the video itself. So anyways, with no further ado, let's get right in the video. You're gonna see me driving around at first, and then I'm gonna get out of the car, park it, and I'm gonna walk around and just kind of walk through the, and kind of focus on the details of the buildings and the general vibe. Anyways, without further ado, San Juan, Puerto Rico. So we're gonna drive on in here and kind of get an idea what it looks like. So I guess this is a driving video of San Juan, old San Juan. And I don't know how it's gonna be working. I don't know how it's gonna be structured. It looks like what we're gonna do is try to find parking just somewhere in the middle. We'll just follow these cars down. I don't know how we're gonna get parking, but all the other people are also looking for parking, but I just arrived, so I guess I'll figure it out. If somebody was to get out of a car right now, that would be kind of amazing for me. So yeah, we're in, so I just have a short period of time in San Juan, Puerto Rico. And so this is a driving video. Looks like somebody just got a parking space real quick already. So it's not impossible. Okay, we will try to find parking. Got a park here though, that's kind of cool. And I think what we're gonna do is just go straight ahead until we actually see a place to park. Actually, it's kind of amazing that I can even drive in here. Anyways, I thought there'd be a big parking lot and I'd have to park not in here. This seems like it should be all for walking, but I'm glad I can. Yeah, pretty cool. Looks like there's, I've heard a lot about the gentrification as well. I think before, it sounds like Puerto Ricans in particular used to live right in the middle here, but I've heard it's so priced out for them that it's impossible now. Man, I can't get over how beautiful this is. Wow. I've seen some other colonial cities, and usually people talk about Cartagena. I have been to Panama City, which is a little bit like this. Old Panama, old Panama, Viejo de Panama. This is Viejo de San Juan. Yeah, this looks really amazing. Actually, I didn't really care for Cartagena that much, just because of the kind of got a lot of harassment. A lot of people follow you around, and that doesn't really seem like that's like this here. I don't know how long it'll take to find a parking space though. Got another park. Very cool. Thought I almost had a parking space as well. There's a Wendy's. Okay, so we're still strolling along. So I don't know how I'm gonna do this exactly. I might go straight or I might take a left. And I think I'm gonna take a left. Just like a pretty cool city for strolling. It's way more chill vibe than I thought, and way more tourist. Didn't realize there's quite that many tourists, but I guess that's good because it makes it there's a reason for that, basically. Okay, let me see. They're gonna try that way. And they're gonna try that way too. That means that I might have an opening. So I will go down this way. Let's see if we have a chance here. You just never know. But regardless, I'm still able to see it even though I'm in the car. Actually, this is kind of good too because they got a nice sidewalk right there. So we got kind of a cluster of cars straight ahead, so I don't know. Because of that, it might actually be better to go right. Let's see if, I don't know if that's even, I guess we'll go right. Oops. So we'll see if this is good or not, but we do have a good view of the water. And I know that that other way wasn't gonna work for me because there was already like 8 cars right there. But this one will, because I'm gonna take a left here. Let me see. Looks like the cars can't really do anything there. Can't park, I mean. Let me see how to do this. I think I might be able to take a right. Or I'll go straight down. When you go right, you go left. Isn't that what they say, right? We'll find something. Let me see. I am going to go left and right. Let's see how this little spot looks. Never know. Anyways, a little bit of driving around San Juan for you. There might even be a parking garage right there, I think. And I found some parking in this parking garage that we're at. Puerto Rico. A little bit more from the parking garage. Let's get out of here and explore. So we parked way down on the other side, and this is the other side of it, and you can see the fortress right over there, and then this right here is the Perla, which is the community. It's supposed to be known as the most dangerous neighborhood of all of Puerto Rico. So you can see some nice Puerto Rico blue, red and white blue. Okay, now we're kind of in it a little bit. We'll just kind of give you some angles. So we just started down that way and we just kind of came back across. And we're basically gonna go down this way towards that flag. Yeah. So this is San Juan, Puerto Rico. So we're just gonna capture. Hey, let me see. So there's some of the streets. That's the one that we just came from. We're gonna keep on going straight down this way. The Puerto Rico flag. And you got this one all the way down as well. Okay, so we're gonna keep on walking down this way. Okay, so right here we got the views of the ocean. So we're gonna come across another side street. At least we're kind of giving a little idea. There's all these bars on the corners too. This one we just came from. And we're gonna go down these stairs. The university there. So we got a university right there, Carlos Abizu Universidad. We'll keep on strolling down. The kiosk. So we'll try to capture nice looking streets everywhere. There we go. We're gonna keep on walking all the way down that way. Okay, so on that note, I think we're gonna end this one for San Juan. I'm just gonna walk around and explore without the camera.